What if I told you Luffy once opened his treasure chest and it was empty? No gold, no berries, nothing but dust swirling in the bottom. Now you would think that's the end of the story, right? An empty chest wasn't the end. It was the beginning of his greatest comeback. And today, I'm going to show you how losing it all, whether it's money, savings, or your safety net, can actually be the map that leads you to more treasure than ever before. Here's the problem. Most people treat financial loss like the end. Bills pile up, bank account crashes, and you think, I'm finished. But the promise, I'll show you why that's actually the beginning. And today, through Luffy's story, you'll uncover 3 comeback secrets. 1. Rebuilding your crew of money habits. 2. Navigating side quest income when your main ship sinks. 3. And charting a new course toward treasure with smarter planning. And by the end, you'll see why even when the chest is empty, you can rebuild treasure worth hundreds of thousands over your lifetime. I've been there. Bank account near zero. Bills stacked on the counter. Wondering how I'd ever recover. That moment feels like game over. But in One Piece, when Luffy's chest is empty, the crew doesn't quit. They rebuild. The stakes are simple. Either you stay broke on the dock, or you regroup and set sail again. And listen, if you're serious about starting your own comeback, I built a free tool for you. It's called the Star Path Budget Map. Think of it like your treasure chart. It shows you exactly how to rebuild, step by step, no matter where you're starting from. It's linked right below. Grab it now and follow along while we break down Luffy's money comeback. Think back. After loss, the first thing Luffy does isn't hunt treasure, it's regroup his crew. Because Luffy alone, he's just a kid with a straw hat. With his crew, he's unstoppable. Same with your money. Your crew isn't people, it's your habits. Tracking expenses, building a tiny emergency fund, setting guardrails. Most people skip this step. They chase jackpots or risky bets. But without habits, even if you stumble into treasure, it slips through your fingers. That's the trap. No crew, no ship. The fix is simple. Rebuild your crew. Track every dollar for 30 days. Build a starter comeback fund, even $500. That's your Zoro and Sanji right there. Once your crew is back, you can sail again. When I hit my lowest point, I didn't try to invest or gamble big. I built a $1,000 starter fund. Just that small chest kept me afloat. And it worked. Because habits are what keep you alive at sea. People who track their spending save 20% more on average. That's like adding Sanji and Nami back to your crew after being stranded. When the main quest stalls, side quests keep you alive. Remember, when Zoro hunted bounties, Nami sold maps, Sanji cooked for side coin. Those weren't distractions. Those were survival. Most people ignore side hustles when they're broke. They wait for a perfect full-time rebound. That's like Luffy sitting in an empty chest waiting for treasure to respawn. Doesn't happen. The fix. Activate side quests. Sell old gear. Flip items. Freelance. Drive. Create. Even $100 a month invested is fuel. That's bounty cash that adds up to real treasure. I once flipped sneakers online. At the time, it felt like scraps. But if I had invested half, I'd be sitting on tens of thousands today. That's the power of small side quests. $100 a month invested equals 15 to 20K in 10 years. $200 a month, nearly 40K. An empty chest isn't the end. It's the chance to chart a smarter route. Every time the crew loses, they don't set sail the same path. They adjust their map, same with money. Most people catch up by gambling, YOLOing into crypto, stocks, schemes. That's like Luffy charging into the new world without a log post. One storm and you're sunk. The fix. Chart a new course. Build a 3-step map. Short-term emergency fund. A mid-term debt payoff. Long-term investing. That's your log post. Follow it and the comeback is inevitable. People with a clear 3-step map recover 2 times faster than people chasing jackpots. It's slow, but it's real. You thought Luffy's comeback was just about gold? Wrong. His real strength was crew plus the map. Same with money. You don't rebuild with jackpots. You rebuild with systems. So what's the real comeback lesson? When the chest is empty, rebuild habits, activate side quests, and chart a smarter course. Even broke, you can rebuild treasure worth hundreds of thousands over a lifetime. The one piece of money isn't about what you find, it's about how you come back. Here's your move. Write down one tiny comeback step tonight. Track one expense, list one side quest, or sketch your 3-step map. Do just one. That's how you start filling your empty chest again. What's your comeback story? Big or small? Drop it in the comments. I'll feature the best ones in the next video. And remember, grab your free Star Path budget map. It's the treasure chart that helps you rebuild step by step. Linked right below. Until next time, friends, under the glow of stars, we forge our future together. Captain Geo Bravo, signing off. Peace.